My name is Fiailoa Ahsue. I'm the Assistant Director, Track and Structures Maintenance. I started in engineering. I moved to different departments to the Positive Train Control group and recently moved into track maintenance. Metrolink is unique because you can wear different hats, get involved in different projects. Because we're a small agency, you often have to work with different departments to see things through, from grant writing to project implementation and maintenance. So it's been really dynamic. My career has been very interesting.
The two greatest influences in my life were my grandmothers. They both relocated their families growing up as, young women with their, husbands and children. And they were just strong forces in our families, in their communities. I never really realized how much that influenced me until I got older. They were really strong, independent women for doing those things.